we've got a diesel duck coming in to land in this empty slip, bottom left of the camera screen. You can see the wind, the flag all the way across the marina is very tight, probably blowing 20 knots steady. I don't know about the gust. And it looks like he's going to bow into the slip, which in this case might be a great idea. He did hard to starboard, put it in gear and bumped it a little bit. Looks like this boat backs left in reverse, meaning when you put it in reverse gear, the boat will back to the left or to the port. You can see his bow thruster working to push the bow around to his starboard, our screen left. And he's going to kiss the piling, which is fine. That's why they're there. This is an all-metal boat. I believe it's steel, built in a shipyard in Canada. So with this heavy wind, we've got 3 dock hands helping tie up the boat and secure it in place. Excellent job, truly excellent job. And you can see high on the stern they have the Canadian maple leaf, and across the marina we have the American stars and stripes. Good job, good job. If you want to learn more about docking, we've produced a 60-minute docking training video. We filmed it, we produced it. Ask Captain Chris.